Welcome to Cool Guns. Let's check out this Tactistaff. It's an aluminum hiking staff that comes apart in small sections and has tools, etc. So let's check out what they're being put together. So this is the bottom, has a metal point, and it has a ferro rod and a whistle that go together. And then you put the bottom open piece per section. And they have the washer, so they're waterproof. And this bottom one has a Allen wrench size hole for whatever you want to have in there with an Allen wrench. And then you can it also comes with this rubber bottom piece if you want to put it on there. The next section is empty. The next section is empty. The next section has this like a fishing descaler with two-prong spear. The next section has a saw and a knife blade and a bottle opener. The next section has a sharpened, pointed tip. This is for an on-land spear or for bigger fish. The next section has a different kind of blade with a fork prong at the tip, another saw, and another can opener. The next section is empty. It is the top section. And this is the top section that it comes with. That goes on there, and it has a compass. But there's an optional one that you can get. It has a pointed tip and then just flat. And that goes on for a side handle grip instead of vertical. And the whole thing comes in this pouch. I'll show you what a brand new one in the box looks like. It does have the instructions. As that. So this brand new one I would like to giveaway to people that subscribe, but I'd like to get up to a couple hundred subscribers, so please subscribe, like, and share so that I can get more subscribers and move toward future monetization and be able to give out more things as giveaways. And the total staff, let's see if I can, I don't have a measuring tape, unfortunately. I'll have to do another video with the length of this, but each of them are about 5 inches, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight sections. Maybe a little bit bigger, so it's probably about 40-ish inches total height, but it is definitely very customizable. So hope you have a great week, and let me know if you like this. Bye.